Every Christmas, my sister used to bring a huge bowl of Thái to our house, and our kids absolutely loved it, and now they ask for it all of the time. It's such a simple and easy recipe to make as there's no cooking involved, and my 11-year-old actually makes it all the time now. Start off by chopping the water chestnuts, then adding a few dollops of red food coloring. Mix it all together so that the water chestnuts are completely red. Then add tapioca starch, enough to coat it and give it a nice thick coat. Then in a small saucepan with boiling water, add the water chestnuts, and you'll know when it's done is when the water chestnut starts floating on top. Then you're gonna drain it and then immerse the water chestnuts in a bowl of ice water. Let it sit there for at least 5 to 10 minutes and then prepare the rest of your ingredients. What's nice about this recipe is that you can use whatever canned fruit you like. My kids love this green jelly, and so then you want to cut these into bite-sized pieces. This is the Vietnamese version of fruit cocktail. Add the juice from the canned jackfruit and then cut the jackfruit into strips. Then add a can of lychee along with its juices, and longan along with its juices, and rambutan along with its juices. With the coconut jelly, I will strain it and not use its juice, along with toddy palm seeds that I do not use its juice as well. Add the water chestnuts. They're meant to look like pomegranates. Then add half and half. You can either use half and half or milk or coconut milk. I like to use half and half because it gives it a nice and light, refreshing taste. Enjoy!